In this tutorial, we will be learning about how to raise exceptions in Python. Exceptions are events that can modify the flow of control through a program. Python provides us with an important keyword raise that we can use to throw an exception when a certain condition is met. Throwing an exception can be useful, for example, when you want to stop the execution of your program when an error occurs, or when you want to notify the user of your program about a certain condition. In this simple script, we first define a function called check_age. This function takes an argument age. Inside the function, we check if the age is less than 0. If it is, we raise a value error exception with a message age cannot be negative. If the age is not less than 0, we simply print age is valid. Then, we use a try/except block to catch the exception we just raised. We try to call the check_age function with an age of -5, which is an invalid value, and it will raise the exception. The exception is then caught in the except clause, and we print out the error message. As you can see, our program has caught the exception we raised with the raise keyword and printed the error message age cannot be negative. This is a simple way to handle errors in our programs and ensure that they fail gracefully instead of crashing unexpectedly. Now, let's move on to another example where we will ask the user to input their age, and we will handle the exception if they input a negative age. In this example, we first ask the user to input their age. Then, we call the check_age function with the age that the user input. If the user inputs a negative age, our check_age function will raise a value error, which will be caught in the except clause and the error message will be printed. Here, the user has input a negative age, so our check_age function raised a value error, which we caught and printed the error message. And that's it. You now know how to raise exceptions in Python and why you might want to use them. Remember, exceptions are a great way to handle errors in your programs and make them more robust and reliable. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!